Greetings, friends! It's Denise again with Denise's Dancing Paintbrush, and today I am doing another watercolor, and this time a ranunculus. Here's my drawing, and I always begin with a background wash. So each petal of the flower I'm putting in just a light yellow background wash with a little pink tinge to the corners. I really like the way this color scheme is. I've been playing with yellows, oranges, and reds for several weeks now and loving it. This one is very similar. It's got pink instead of red, but still yellows and oranges and a really bright pink. I'm using permanent rose in the Winsor & Newton colors for my pink. So here you can see I've done most of the background washes, and now I'm going back and putting in some more intense color. I have to get the petals wet first, again, and then add the color so that it will run slightly. Adding the shadows in between the petals is problematic. I have to mix some colors, a little bit of purple and yellow together to get kind of a yellowish gray. And then make my pinks more intense. Almost red, but not quite. What I want to emphasize is the light shining on that left hand petal. So it's still quite light, almost too light right now, but that's part of the charm, adding enough shadows on one side and keeping the light side light. Watercolor is so much fun. You just add layer upon layer, and all of them are transparent, so you can see the layers underneath through the layers you put on top. You can keep on going until you have some really stark details, some almost photographic details. This is going to be another one of those images that I'm going to use for my royalty work on Society 6, Redbubble, and Inktails, so that you could buy this ranunculus on stickers or a book or a pillow if you like it. I think it would be charming on a tote bag. Now I'm putting in some very pale veins, because what's a flower without those little veins that show the direction of the petals and add life to it? This took a lot of hours, but oh, it's my idea of a good time. I enjoyed it so much. And here is the final image, my ranunculus with all the little veins. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed painting it. Do come again, and oh, subscribe. I get points for that. And if you subscribe, you'll get notification of my next video that is posted. So, thanks everyone. Bye now.